Why do 80% of tech enthusiasts rave about ChatGPT? Because it's the future of AI, and it's here now. All right, let's dive in. First things first, head over to the OpenAI website and log in. If you don't have an account, don't worry. Signing up is a breeze. Once you're in, simply click on ChatGPT to get started. Now here's where the fun begins. Type in your prompt or question and watch ChatGPT work its magic. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, writing an essay, or just having a chat, ChatGPT is your go-to AI buddy. But wait, there's more. You can tweak ChatGPT's responses by providing more context or specific instructions. Just type in what you need, and ChatGPT will adapt. It's like having a super intelligent assistant at your fingertips. And the best part? ChatGPT learns and evolves with every interaction. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding and responding to you. Now imagine the future. AI assistants like ChatGPT becoming a seamless part of our daily lives. From personalized education to advanced problem solving, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to OpenAI and give ChatGPT a try today. Discover the future of AI and unlock endless possibilities. Remember, the future is now, and ChatGPT is leading the way. Don't just watch the revolution, be a part of it. Call to action. Try ChatGPT today and experience the future at your fingertips. Hit that link below and start your journey with ChatGPT now.